CNN10 script, Wednesday, June 18th, 2025. Script 117. How to Grow Food in Space, May 1st, 2025. Reading aloud. Now to some severe weather that is affecting so many of you in the Midwestern U.S. Rounds of heavy rain, floods, and violent winds have threatened more than a dozen states this week. The storm system is so widespread that a tornado watch was in effect for nearly 2 million people on Wednesday in parts of Texas, Oklahoma, and Arkansas, and more than 10 million people were under flood watches across 5 states. Wind gusts as high as 90 miles per hour tore across the Midwest, bringing massive hail and tornadoes. Some cities and communities sustained major damage. For our future meteorologists out there, let's catch up with our Derek Fandom to teach us about derechos and the phenomenon known as trading. Hi Derek, yeah, that's right, Cole. So many of you associate damage with thunderstorms to a tornado, but that's not what took place on Tuesday. In fact, what is known as a derecho took place. That is a straight line wind event, and in order for this to be classified as a derecho, we need this destructive line of thunderstorms to move over several hundred miles, and it produces winds over 58 miles per hour, and that's exactly what it did. You can basically follow this thing stretching from the Ozarks right through the interior of New England and the Ohio River Valley, and it really knocked out power for so many people. You can see this radar loop, just the destructive storms that pass through this region. That is, by the way, hurricane-force wind gusts that were reported with this line of storms, and it knocked out power to over 500,000 customers in and around the Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania region. So we have us in a line of storms that have moved over the same locations, and it's produced significant, very heavy rainfall. This is called trending of storms. Look at them move over Oklahoma City, one after another, producing record-breaking rainfall for the month of April. It added to the totals that they've got over the past several weeks. And just yesterday, we saw an incredible amount of rainfall from the sky, producing scenes like this. This is coming out of Norman, Oklahoma. Look at this parking lot and this road turned into a river. You can see the lightning flashing in the background as well. Incredible. This system is going to advance eastward, and then we have the potential for more severe weather. So we'll keep an eye to the sky from Cleveland to Indianapolis, Nashville, Little Rock, all the way to Austin today. Back to you, Coy.